Hello, again I am Teacher May. Now we're going to study about the skeletal system, its parts, the functions, the common ailments and injuries. Listen.
Our bones are one of the hardest substances found in our body, second only to our teeth enamel. Our bones are living tissues made of cells and are mostly made up of calcium, phosphate, and collagen. Our bones come in many shapes and sizes. The hardest part of our bones is on the outer layer, which is called compact bone. Inside our bones are softer, fatty tissues called the bone marrow. Our skeletal system is grouped by the axial and the appendicular skeletons. The axial skeleton includes the skull, vertebrae, ribs, and sternum. The appendicular skeleton consists of our limbs, which are our arms and legs, and all of their attachments, which are our fingers and toes. There are about 275 bones at birth. As a person grows, many of these bones are fused together. In an adult human, the skeleton is composed of 206 bones. The 206 bones in our body are classified by their unique shape. The major classifications being long, short, flat, or irregular. Femur is the longest and strongest bone. Movable joints allow various movements, like twisting and turning. Here are the major functions of the bones. Number 1, support. Number 2, facilitation of movement. Number 3, formation of blood cellular components. Fourth, storage of minerals and fats. Fifth, protection of internal organs. Examples of these are skeleton. The skeleton protects the internal organs. The pelvic bone supports our body when we sit. Bones protect the spinal cord. Our skull protects the eyes and the brain. And lastly, ribs protect our heart and lungs. Our bones, muscles, and joints all work together to make it possible for the movements we make every day. The entire system of bones couldn't function without the help of our muscles and joints, which is then referred to as the musculoskeletal system. Here are some examples of bone and muscle injuries. First, fracture. Second, dislocation. Third, sprain. Fourth, cramps. And lastly, bruises. Next are the examples of the common diseases. Number 1, osteoporosis. Next, arthritis. Third, rickets. And lastly, polio. Here are some tips to take care of our bones. Number 1, you can eat a well-balanced diet, rich in calcium and vitamin D. Second, of course, we need to exercise. We also need to prevent falls. Last, we should learn about ways of keeping our bones healthy to prevent common injuries and diseases.
So, thank you. That's all for today.